lot of ones.
Sneaker Notes, boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down there, please. And make sure you do the thumbs up because that helps my channel, compete with these bigger dudes. If you've been watching the channel, you know I'm a huge fan of Jordan 1s.
And a lot of ones.
Even though recently I sold a lot.
What are you doing?
But I'm just trying to keep it quality over quantity. But your boy brought a Jordan 1 mid. I know I said I'd never do it, man. But with this whole coronavirus stuff going on, staying in the house, being safe, man, I did a whole bunch of quarantine shopping. Your boy brought a whole bunch of stuff I said I'll never buy. I'm about to buy some. You want a box too? Alright, copy. Travis Scott. Nice. Yeah, exactly. But again, with all this coronavirus stuff going on, all these big companies can't open their stores. So all the sites are restocking crazy. And about a week and a half ago, sneakers restocked. The Plums, the Walk the Dogs, the Viotechs, and the Jordan 1 mid, which was supposed to be my first Jordan 1 mid pickup. But I thought about it too long. I'm like, do I really want to do a mid? I only do high OGs. And then thinking about it, they sold out. So on to my second choice for my favorite Jordan 1 mid, or my first one to cop, was these. Boom. Your Jordan 1 mid blue, the greats. I'm not gonna lie, man. In hand, these sneakers are super dope, man. Let me give y'all a 360 view so y'all can feel how I feel when I first opened the box. Super colorful, man. Got your red hits here, your nice cell white. Dope blue, man. I love this blue. Probably one of my favorite blues next to the UNC color. Money green there. Your red comes back in. Then a lighter tone blue with your yellow toe box. Sort of like a Michigan theme right there. And the whole shoe is like corduroy and suede. Super dope shoe, man. And his logo right there, blue. Super dope shoe, man. I had to pull the trigger. In that comment section below, let me know how you feel about Jordan 1 mids compared to high OGs. It's a lot of people who feel like They don't care. They like mids, they like lows, they like highs. And shout out to y'all if y'all do. But me personally, I'm just a OG high dude. That's just me, man. But these are super dope. But to get into the reason why I never did the mids, it wasn't a thing about only if Jordan wore them. It's never about that. With the mids, I always hated the tongue, man. The tongue always looked kiddish to me. Like, you know what I mean? It's even skinnier than your regular high OG tongue. That's what I always hated about the mid, and that's the only reason I didn't cop it. You can see the skinniness of the tongue. And then also around the back, if you remember, with your Jordan 1 mids, it always had like a little Jordan man here. This is not here on this one, so yet I'm good with it. As for these right here, man, super dope. But I swear, if these was a high OG, these will fly off the shelf, man. Fly off the shelf. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop these? And did you get that restock from Sneakers about a week and a half ago? I had to do it, man. The corduroy hits, the Chanel swoosh, the colorfulness, man. Shout out to Blue the Great, man. Dope, dope sneaker, man. This is definitely my first Jordan 1 mid pickup. I don't know if it's going to be more, but I'm not going to say no. Like in the past, man. It was just a flat out no for me. But they keep coming out with fire like this, man. Y'all got me, Jordan Brand, man. But this your boy Sneaker Notes, man. I forgot to tell y'all what I got on foot today, so let's get to that. This is part of the segment where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below and let me know what y'all rocking on foot when you caught this video. Today, I got on some slides. Granted, they some dope slides. These are the Nike white slides, but you can change the swooshes out. It's super dope. Comes with a whole bunch of colors, just like these. When you catch this video, go down there in that comment section below. Let me know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. So much videos to get through. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, please. Let's get this video up there so I can compete with these sneaker guards. It's your boy C-Notes. Everybody, get rich. Sneaker Notes if we talking about kicks.